There's a lot to love about chocolates, and today I have a delicious chocolate dessert for you. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani and welcome to Rajshri Food, your ultimate destination for 100% vegetarian recipes. And let's get started with a recipe for an irresistible chocolate tart. So the first step is to make the biscuit layer. So I have about 30 digestive biscuits here that are powdered, and I've also melted 12 tablespoons of butter, and now I'm going to mix the two. Add in the butter. Don't add all of it at once. Give it a mix. Add the remaining amount of butter. Make sure you mix the butter and the biscuit powder very well. This biscuit layer is ready, and I have a tart mold over here with a loose bottom. And now I'm going to line this with the biscuit mixture. And now what I'm going to do is spread this mixture evenly into the mold and make a thick border on the side. So push more amount of the mixture on the sides. And now with the help of a steel bowl, I'm going to smoothen the surface. So start from the sides. Just keep pushing towards the edge of the mold. Just push with the steel bowl, and also with your fingers keep flattening the edges simultaneously. Make sure this is evenly spread on the base as well as on the borders. And now this goes into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to set. While the tart base is setting, let's quickly make the chocolate filling. For that, I've kept a pot of water to boil, and once the water starts to boil, I'm going to warm up some cream. Basically, I'm just going to double boil the cream. The water has come to a boil. Reduce the flame slightly and place the bowl of the cream over it. Let the cream warm up and keep stirring at all times. Once the cream is slightly warm, I'm going to add in the dark chocolate in it. So I've just roughly chopped up the dark chocolate compound. Keep stirring till the chocolate pieces melt. The chocolate pieces have nicely melted, and now into this I'm going to add in butter. Also 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Let the butter melt properly. Everything is nicely melted, and now I'm going to turn off the flame and get this off the heat. Let this cool down slightly before you pour it over the base. So while this is cooling down, I'm going to quickly get the base from the fridge. The base is nicely set. I just need a couple minutes for this chocolate filling to cool down. Time to pour this mixture into the base. just swirl this around a little bit. In case there are any air bubbles, just very lightly tap it. And now this goes back in the refrigerator to set for at least a good 2 to 3 hours. The chocolate tart is going to be ready in a few minutes, but this is not the only treat that I have for you today. At the end of the episode, I'm going to give a shout out for the best answer, so stay tuned. This tart is beautifully set. Just take a tin which has a flat top, place it over and very carefully just loosen the ring and it just comes out. Carefully pick it up. I have a few things to garnish this tart. So first I'm going to start with some strawberries. Just randomly place a few strawberries. I have some fresh figs here. They are in season right now. So I've just quartered them and randomly placed them as well. I have some white chocolate chips here. So just drop them randomly. Some mint leaves. Some almond flakes, and some pistachio flakes. I can't stop admiring this. Do make this for a dinner party dessert or a treat for yourself. Give it a try and let me know how it turned out. See you soon. Bye-bye. In my piece samosas recipe, I had asked you all to suggest an interesting filling for the samosas. Forum Zaveri had an interesting idea. She suggested a concept of pizza samosas with a filling of jalapenos, olives, pizza sauce, onions and bell peppers. Well, I would love to try this. Let's create something interesting. Keep watching Rajshri Food.